Everywhere you look right now, people are scared that AI is replacing humans. Writers, designers, developers, analysts, even filmmakers. And honestly, some of those fears are valid. But while everyone is asking what AI will replace, almost nobody is talking about what AI still cannot do. And those skills, they are becoming more valuable because of AI. So, in this video, let's talk about 5 human skills that AI still cannot replace. At least. So, number one, reading humans in real time. AI can summarize a meeting, it can analyze text, it can even detect sentiment, but it still cannot truly read a room. It cannot feel the awkward silence in a negotiation. It cannot notice when someone says, I'm fine, but clearly isn't. It cannot understand the emotional tension between two people sitting across a table, and that matters more than most people realize. Think about the best manager, the best teacher, or the best friend you ever had. What made them valuable wasn't just information, it was the emotional intelligence, the ability to understand humans. And in the AI era, people who understand humans will outperform people who only understand software. Number two, working in unpredictable environments. AI loves structure. Humans survive chaos. That's why jobs like electricians, plumbers, mechanics, emergency responders, and field engineers are still incredibly difficult to automate because the real world is messy. Things break unexpectedly, instructions are incomplete, and decisions happen in seconds. A robot works amazingly in controlled environment, but the moment reality becomes unpredictable, humans still dominate. And honestly, coming from a manufacturing background myself, this is something I've seen personally on the shop floor. The physical world is way harder to automate than people on the internet think. AI dominates predictable systems. Humans dominate unpredictable ones. Number three, leadership and trust. AI can give you strategy. It can generate plans, presentations, frameworks, and business ideas. Humans create belief. A company does not survive because of PowerPoint slides. It survives because someone can lead uncertain people through uncertainty. While teams are scared, while companies are struggling, people are confused. They don't look for the smartest algorithm, they look for reassurance. They look for someone they can trust. And I genuinely think this becomes even more important in the AI era because the more automated the world becomes, the more valuable trust becomes. The future belongs to people who can combine AI capability with human leadership. Number four, creativity with taste. Now, before somebody comment, no, I'm not saying AI cannot create. AI absolutely can create and is creating. Like it can generate images, music, videos, scripts, designs almost instantly. But generation is not the same thing as taste. Anyone can generate 100 ideas now, but choosing the right idea, that's a complete different story. AI can write jokes, but comedians understand timing. AI can generate songs, but artists create culture. AI can generate visuals, but directors create emotion. And in a world flooded with AI generated content, human taste becomes premium. The creators who win in the future won't just use AI tools, they'll know what's actually worth creating. And finally, number five, building community and culture. So this one might actually become the most valuable skill of all. AI can create content, but humans create connection. People don't subscribe to creators only because of the information that they are providing. They subscribe because they trust the person. They can relate to the person delivering it because they feel understood. That's why communities, creators, live experiences, and personal brands are becoming more powerful, not less. AI can automate content creation, but it cannot replicate genuine human connection. And honestly, that's probably the biggest opportunity of this entire AI era. So, no, AI is not going away, and pretending it's useless is honestly a stupid decision. You should learn AI and aggressively. At the same time, the more AI grows, the more valuable truly human skill becomes. AI handles the work, humans define the direction. And if you want content that helps you stay relevant in the AI era without the fear, subscribe because we are just getting started. See you in the next video.